Okay, I'm Dr. R. Deuk Major. I'm here with one of my patients who just underwent Deuk laser disc repair. He's agreed to do an interview. And you were in the Marines for a while.
Yes, sir.
All right. You've had back pain down here for how long did you have back pain for?
Pretty much about since 1980, so...
Since 1980?
Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
so 30 years?
Yeah.
You told me you had one surgery on your back before, but it didn't work.
Right.
2006?
Yes.
So at this point, you came here to me, to Deuk Spine Institute, hoping to get some relief of your back pain and your leg symptoms, right?
Right.
Both
yeah.
legs.
Yeah.
The back pain you had before your surgery today, right down in here, do you still have that back pain?
No.
The one right in the center? No, it's
Yeah,
gone.
No. Yeah.
And then the pain that you had down your legs before surgery, do you still have that?
It's a little tingly yet, okay, but it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, no pain.
Right. Right.
All right, so the back pain is gone, the leg pain is gone. He's got a lot of therapy he's got to go through because his nerves were pinched for a long time. How did you find out about Deuk Spine Institute?
On the internet.
On the internet.
Searching for somebody that would do, after I enlightened or, educated myself on laser surgery, I was looking for somebody local. But,
Laser surgery.
yeah, because I live here, so I was looking for somebody local. You were the only one that I found, really.
It's a good thing. A lot of people out there proclaiming to do laser surgery, but they don't. All right, well, I think I've asked you all the questions I need. Where are you going now?
Home.
Home, that's right. We're not in the hospital.
Yeah.
There's no hospital stay. You get to go home.
Right.
Anything you want to say to the rest of the world before we send you out of here and go home?
Thank you for the procedure, and I'm hoping that I get 100% recovery. If I only get 95, I'll be happy.
All right.
Okay.
I expect you to be very happy with the results.
Okay, thank you.
All right, my
Doctor.
pleasure.